Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair your JBL Club 950NC with your Windows laptop or computer with a Bluetooth built-in. So first of all, we'll need to find the Bluetooth on our laptop, click on the Start, then the Settings. Here enter Bluetooth and Devices, add the device, Bluetooth. Now turn on your JBLs. Then hold your finger onto the Bluetooth button. This blue light starts flashing, and that means we can see the device on the list and connect it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.